Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase mail day. Today I finished my daily job and okay, now it's mail time and it will be my mental health care. Let's go. I will try what I purchased in the last day. Firstly, I bought some simple single cards. It's it's a recent card. Many are about 2020, and there is some Donruss 20 that Lawrence Taylor. I love those modern throwback player. I grabbed this Darren Waller. I love these guys. I discovered this guy during I think it's Hard Knock series. That's not the last year, but 2 years ago. And he's tremendous player. He gets some issue out of field, but damn, it's crazy player. And I love this dude. Darren Weller for the Raiders. Another Raider who I like a lot is Hunter Renfrow. Very nice. I like this guy. Great. Another Raider legend player, Marcus Allen. Tremendous guy. And the next card is Bob Greasy, famous quarterback for the Miami Dolphins. Next, another stack of cards. Oh, I struggle to open. No, okay, I succeed. It's come from the same seller. I think it's a German seller, Matthew Stafford. I love this dude. Very nice, very good quarterback. I wish him the best now with the Rams. Another Matthew Stafford card. Oh, I love this card. Very, very nice. Okay, great. Next, oh, it's a Duke Flutie. Every card, I think I pay $1 for the card or something like this. On that, it's a Upeduk Masterfield. This card must to be with his college. He must to be from Boston College. I think it was the end of the game. We threw a miraculous pass, Ave Maria pass or I Mary pass. And very nice. I just look on this card. Boston College. I don't know. He haven't got the logo in the helmet, I don't know, but very nice, great. Another Duck Flutie, very nice. He wore the Buffalo Bills jersey, nice. Very happy with this. Drew Bledsoe, very nice player. He signed also my TTM request. Very great quarterback for the New England Patriots. And another great player for the Patriots is Julian Edelman. I love this guy. He is an undrafted player, and I just read that he announced that he said that he will not continue. He will finish his NFL career, but he was a tremendous player. Very happy to get this card. Next, Eli Manning. Oh, I love this dude. 2-time Super Bowl MVP. Great. Another Patriot player, James White. He's very good. Very, very nice quarterback. I like this. Another James White card. Very nice. I think I grabbed all these cards for $1. Nice. Another card. It's Tony Romo. Like this player. He was quite good. He did some very sensational play, but okay, he not succeed to win a Super Bowl with the Cowboys. But okay, football it's a team sport, and you must to get another great player with you to win. Another legendary player, it's Randall Cunningham. Oh, very nice. That is a fantastic quarterback. Very entertaining to saw him on the field, to watch him on the field, and very, very on. I love this throwback Eagle jersey. Love this card. Great. Another very legendary player is Warren Moon with the Oilers. Great to grab this card. Another Warren Moon card. Oh, I love this card. Very happy with this. Great. Next, oh, it's one also of one of my favorite quarterback. It's Mark Brunell, and he was a very good quarterback. And this dude, I love this dude because he looks very nice guy. And now he's in the Detroit Lion coaching staff. Maybe I will try to send him a TTM request. I don't know if the Lion franchise, if it's if there is a lot of success when you send some TTM request to the headquarters of the Lions, but why not? Maybe I will try. But I love that it's a press proof blue border, very nice, great. And the last card for this purchase is Alvin Kamara, a tremendous running back. I think the last year he scored 4 touchdowns in one game. That it's crazy and very good and promising player. Great. Another purchase is just some stickers about baseball. I show you the stickers in one video, and I just get 3 remaining stickers missing, and I ordered these 3 stickers, but I don't. I bought a law from an English guys, and in this law there are my 3 missing stickers, but I don't remember. Those stickers is some 1995 baseball stickers. The brand is Fleer, but it's also Panini. But anyway, let's go. Jimmy K for the Yankee, Wade's Box for the Yankee, Don Mattingly for the Yankee, Paul Ney for the Yankee, Mike Stanley for the Yankee, Tom Glavine for the Braves, Danny Tartabull for the Yankee. For the Braves, they have Greg Maddux, great. We have Fred McGriff, nice. David Justice for the Braves too. Ryan Klesko, very nice. Greg Maddux again, great. And for the Yankee, Paul Neal, nice. The Brave logo. For the Tiger, Cecil Fielder. For the Mets, Bobby Bonilla. For the Tiger, Travis Freeman. Chris Gomez for the Tiger. And okay, Chris Gomez again. Okay, nice. And the Pirates logo and the Tiger logo. For information, the name of the stickers is All-Star Edition 1995 MLB stickers All-Star Edition. Great. Another purchase. It's a book. It's a book about. I will just maybe. Okay. It's a book about the London Monarch. This team was a former London UK team. It was an original team for the World League, and when the World League changed of the name it was NFL Europe, and this team was. I love their logos and it's very nice. I will read this book. Just a few page picture, very interesting. In my opinion, I don't read the book, but the more famous player who play with the London Monarch must to be Brad Johnson. You see in the middle of this scan, on the back you see the London Bridge, a famous bridge, and he played for the Minnesota Vikings, and I think he went 1 or 2 times in playoff. Another funny scan is just here. No, oh, it's here. You get some London Monarch player, and in the middle you can see, it's William Perry, the Fridge. Of course, he no play for this London franchise, but he went as a guest on the player take a picture with this famous Chicago Bears player. Let's go. I will read this book. It looks to be interesting. Okay, next, what I get. This is some Okay, some pins. It's not an extraordinary buy, but I will show you the pins. This is 1990 Cincinnati pins. Western Division Champion National League. Quite happy with this purchase. The other pins is the Boston Red Sox Eastern Division 1988 champions. Very happy with it. They are quite beautiful, those pins. And this is a Super Bowl, the Roman number. It's a 24. Yes, 24 Super Bowl. It was at the New Orleans versus the Broncos versus the 49ers. Great. Next, what I get on this? It's another purchase. Okay, oh, that is nice. I pay just $1 or something like this. It's two Matt Forte card, single card, but very happy with this. I think I pay $1 for each card. I will add to my collection. Great. Next, what is it? Okay, that is okay. That's okay. This, what is it? Okay, I buy this to the American seller. It's Joe Amalfitano. I buy those cards because I will try to TTM request. I watched a video about a YouTube member. I don't know, it's maybe the name, it's Patrick's TTM or something like this. And with Joe Amalfitano, he got a success, and I will try to. I don't know if he sent him his card to the home of the Joe of this player, or if even he played. Even he work in the Giants organization. Another card for my TTM request is Gary Anderson. I will try to send him to his home in Arkansas. Nice card action packet. Another Joe Amalfitano for my TTM request. Great. What is it? This is okay. Just 2 minutes remaining on my cam. I will just show the last. Oh, that is very interesting. It's this guy it's a friend. It's a German seller, and I buy the card. Very nice. It's with the Michigan uniform, and I buy some card, $1 card or something like this. Chad Ine, because I will send him a TTM request. Another Chad Ine. Tom Brady. Oh, I'm very happy to grab this card. The legendary Brady. This card is very interesting. It's Gerald Ford, the former US president, and he was alumni from Michigan, and he played football with this university. Very nice. Tom Brady again, very happy with this card. That is Jack Long, former 1 overall draft pick. Nice. And this is Hall of Fame. Great.